power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers. In today's video, we're taking a look at what do you prefer. One of these actually surprised me. Today, we find out together which one is truly better. Let's dive in. Number 4, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17 million. In fourth place is the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, valued at roughly $17 million. Built in extremely limited numbers, this Italian masterpiece showcases Pagani's obsession with craftsmanship, lightweight materials, and artistic engineering. Number 3, Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $18.7 million. Coming in at number 3 is the legendary Bugatti La Voiture Noire, with a price tag of around $18.7 million. This one-of-a-kind hypercar combines stunning design with brutal performance and stands as one of the rarest Bugattis ever made. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.